Alright, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be lowering the car with some lowering springs. Don't mind the dookie fitment and wheel specs. These are temporary wheels. I traded the stocks for these. But I think they'll look better than the stocks. Need some new rear tires that are meatier. These are like Stansboy tires. But hopefully with that lowering and some spacers, should look fine. Might try to trade these fronts for, a more aggressive spec, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna get the car jacked up. I'm gonna do the fronts first because that's a bit harder. And then, yeah. Alright, so I added some spacers so that way we can kind of see better the fitment difference. My garage isn't fully even, so we're still going to try to keep it the same way when we measure later. But the fronts to the rim is about 4 inches, a little over 4 from the front. Hopefully it should drop down to 3-ish. And the rears, again, the garage is uneven. It's about about 3 inches, so that should drop to about 2 1/4, but we'll see. Alright, and these are the springs that I got. They are some used H&R, I think, sport springs. Red ones, it should lower everything. Front, I think 1 inch. Rear, I think 0.6, 0.8, something like that. But yeah, I mean, hopefully it goes good. So yeah, right now, got the jack supporting the strut. Pull the EDC cable off. Gonna just try to undo that and slowly lower it, and then it should come out, hopefully. We'll see. There we go. Just slowly be able to release this. Tension's almost off. There we go. Might be easier with a friend, but I was able to get it done, so very nice. Gonna button up this side, and then I'm gonna move to the next side. And the result is, oh shit. Much better. it's probably gonna settle. Again, the garage is uneven, so this side's gonna be a little bit higher. Maybe like a finger and a half at this point. So we'll see once we do the rears and then move the car around. Yeah, honestly, I wanted to do the fronts first because I thought the fronts would be harder, but that actually only took me like an hour to do both sides. I mean, granted, I've done this before in the past. Never done springs like that, but it was really easy actually. Passenger side went on in like 10 minutes. So flip the car around, I'm gonna do the rears, and then I'll flip it back so that way we have like a comparable, you know, beginning height versus end height. But, or maybe I'll just get this. This is about eye level with the wheel. You have about a finger gap-ish. I would say maybe like 3/4 of an inch or so. Hopefully we're gonna be tucking a little bit higher because I'll be sick. But yeah, I'm gonna get the car jacked up and then started. All right, both sides are finished. Gonna drop the car back down. See if we'll settle a little bit. I don't know, did it drop? Kind of. Barely anything though, maybe like half a finger it dropped. But, looks pretty good. I'll put both front and rear side by sides before and after. Alright. I don't really know if the rear changed, maybe it did. Maybe it's placebo, but that's how she's sitting right now. I'll take another video outside on like a flatter ground, but looks pretty good. But yeah, I'll do another walk around in nature. Here's how the car sits on flat ground. Definitely much better. Got about a finger in front, maybe like half an inch.